Remember, just after this, I'm 16.
Well, on it, not like.
Me have to take a picture, that's all.
I'm lighting my brother's birthday cake.
Well,
Ah, shit,
I'm going to put down video.
Then you know if you sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear brother. Happy birthday to you. Ah! That was your birthday cake.
Yay!
So go back to the break now. Birthday tradition. We never make the cake nor brownies, so I use the bread instead. So today is my little brother's and my big brother's birthday, and we're gonna go hit the gym. Then we're gonna pick up some pizza, head to my big brother's place, blow out some candles, and then we're gonna head back home. What language is she singing in? So we just came from the gym and now we're going to Domino's to get some pizza. Daddy, we can reverse the car better than you. What's him do, believe it? We can reverse better than you. The teacher out, no, the student out to the master.
Hola.
Wave, Daddy.
Hola. Sweet like a pattern. I'm cooking someone. Stop it.
You know, change your shirt.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know, you fall from the back. No, I'm back.
I will pull gun on you, though.
And now we're heading to drop off the pizza to my brother's place.
Go in. Chase couldn't wait until he reached home, so he's eating a slice of pizza. Now we're on our way to go get fish at our favorite spot, so to speak.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
This is evidence.
Just thank you.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Yeah. Ah, lovely, lovely.
Oh, it is.
Oh, it is. Dun, 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 dun. Dun.
And we're home. Now we're going to go eat fish, pizza, and